One missed signal. A life-changing lesson on the highway hook. It happened in less than 5 seconds. A quick swerve, no signal. One wrong move, and everything changed forever. It was a clear Sunday afternoon when 27-year-old Michael was driving down the I-5 freeway in California. He had just left a friend's barbecue and was heading home, music playing, windows slightly down, enjoying the breeze. Emergency crews arrived within minutes. Jessica survived, but her son, tragically, did not. But he failed to do one thing that could have saved a life: signal. The road was busy, but traffic was flowing smoothly. That's when it happened. Michael realized he was about to miss his exit. In a moment of panic, he glanced over his shoulder and quickly changed lanes to the right, but he didn't use his turn signal. Behind him, in his blind spot, was a young mother named Jessica, driving with her 4-year-old son in a car seat. On a freeway where vehicles travel at high speeds and are tightly spaced, that split-second warning is often the difference between a safe lane change and a deadly crash. She had no warning. Michael's car clipped the front of hers, sending her vehicle spinning across 2 lanes. It slammed into the median wall and was hit again by a truck that couldn't T-stop in time. According to the DMV, drivers must signal at least 100 feet before changing lanes, giving others time to react. The sound of screeching tires and metal crunching still echoes in Michael's memory. Michael wasn't speeding. He wasn't texting. He was sober. Not signaling can lead to citations, license points, increased insurance, or worse. What went wrong? Changing lanes without signaling is not just a minor mistake. It's a violation of California traffic law. Failing to signal makes your actions unpredictable. But none of that compares to the emotional weight of knowing a child's life was lost because of his mistake. Michael's mistake was simple, but the consequences were permanent. Her story became one that she now shares at DMV driving safety seminars in high schools. "All I needed was one blink of his turn signal," she says. "That's all it would have taken." Using your signal is a way of communicating respect, responsibility, and care for your fellow drivers. What should you do instead? Many involved no alcohol, no speed, no reckless behavior, just a missed signal and a blind spot. You miss your exit, stay calm, don't panic. You can always take the next exit and loop back. A signal is not just a blinking light, it's a life-saving tool. Signaling is one of the easiest and most effective safety habits you can build. Signal. Check. Merge safely. Plan ahead. Use navigation tools or signs to anticipate exits. Signal early. Subscribe to our channel for more real stories that save lives. Check your mirrors and blind spots. Look twice. Don't rely only on technology. Signal every time. Even if you think no one is around, always use your blinker. Follow the law according to the DMV. Signaling is not optional, it's mandatory. Driving is not just about where you're going, it's about how you get there and how safely you do it for everyone around you. The real cost of negligence. Michael now lives with a deep sense of guilt, faced civil penalties, lost his driving privileges, and had to attend mandatory driving courses. Jessica, the mother, had to rebuild her life from unimaginable grief. Why this story matters to you: we often rush through traffic like we rush through life on autopilot, thinking the little things don't matter. But they do. In 2023 alone, over 15,000 accidents in the U.S. were linked directly to unsafe lane changes. Think about it. If something takes less than a second to do, but can save a life, why wouldn't you do it? Let this be a wake-up call. Driving is a privilege, not a right. Every time you step into your vehicle, you're making a promise to share the road with care. So next time you're driving and feel tempted to merge without thinking, remember Michael, remember Jessica, remember that child. Because on the road, your smallest habits can lead to the biggest outcomes. Final words: let's protect each other. Accidents are called accidents because they're unintentional, but many are preventable. Be a responsible driver. Model good behavior for your kids, your friends, your community, and please share this story. Someone out there might need to hear it before it's too late. Like, comment, let's make the road safer, one turn signal at a time.